Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a quick tutorial on how to send a poll on Discord using the latest features from the recent update. Let's get started. First things first, open the Discord app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, navigate to the specific chat where you want to send your poll. This could be a direct message or a group chat, whatever fits your needs. Now, look for the plus icon located to the left of the chat box. Clicking this will bring up several options for you to choose from. Found it? Great. Click on Create a Poll from the options that appear. Here comes the fun part. Write your question in the designated area. This is where you get to ask your community or friends whatever you'd like. Just below your question, you'll have space to input the possible answers. You can provide as many options as you feel necessary. Next, you'll want to set the duration for your poll. This allows you to specify how long participants have to cast their votes. It's essential to give people enough time but not let it linger too long. Once you're satisfied with everything, your question, answers, and duration, take a moment to review your poll. When you're ready, simply click on the Post button and voila! Your poll is live for all to see. And there you have it. You've just created and sent a poll on Discord. It's a fantastic way to engage with your community and collect opinions easily. Happy polling!